Ready?
All?
Holy shit, dude.
I say, is that a trebuchet you're playing with? They are fantastic pieces of machinery, and if you want to know more, first we hydrate, and then we educate about trebuchets. Now, trebuchets were fabulous pieces of machinery because they are physics engines. They turn potential energy into kinetic energy by the ways of fulcrums and balance points. Also, a weird thing about the origins of the trebuchet, because even though the name sounds French, you know, oh mon dieu, trebuchet, more! In actuality, the trebuchet is a Chinese invention, originally called the Shopao, created around the 4th or 5th century BCE in China. By the 6th century, it had crossed the Mediterranean and was now in the Western world, and it was the bee's knees. If you saw one of these trebuchets at a battlefield, you'd shit yourself and run away. Also quite ironic that the Chinese created the trebuchet, which was the first cannon-like thing, and then they created gunpowder, which became cannons. China made decent weapons. Woo! And because the trebuchet was the bee's knees of any battlefield it was a part of, eventually you get things like a famous trebuchet. Fellow peeps of the internet, welcome to the stage, the War Wolf. And this is it. This is the War Wolf, commissioned by King Edward I during the Battle of Stirling, during the Scottish War for Independence, you know. King Edward thwarted the Scots with this bastard. Hi, I'm editing the video that you're currently watching. I was incorrect in this. Whilst the War Wolf was a important part in the siege of the Battle of Stirling, the War Wolf didn't make the British win. The Scots won, and the name of the Scot who actually helped win the Battle of Stirling was William Wallace. So, yeah. This thing could hurl rocks on fire, bales of straw on fire with covered in tar, literally over any rampart it was put in front of. Truly a magnificent piece of machinery, and believed to be the biggest trebuchet ever made in England. If you saw this and didn't soil yourself, there's something wrong with you.